In this video, I'm going to show you real quick how to set and release the parking brake on a 2021 Ford Edge. Pretty simple process once you know what you're doing. The parking brake is an electronic parking brake. It's located right here in the center console of the vehicle. To set the parking brake, you're just going to give it a nice little pull there. It will then on the dash display brake right there. Now the parking brake is on. To turn the parking brake off, you've got to press on the actual brake while you push down on the electronic parking brake here. And now you'll notice it says parking brake off, and the little indicator there that said that the parking brake was set is now turned off. That's all there is to it. Pretty simple process. If you thought this video was helpful, please give it a like, comment with any comments, and subscribe to help us make more videos just like this. Thanks for watching.